Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to look at how to read a radar plot. I have something really cool to show you. First of all, this is the current radar picture. This little crosshatch right here is us. And you can see that there's a storm front coming, and then you see this little echo right down here. And that involves what I'm going to show you here in a second. Another thing I want to show you here is these range marks on the storms. These give you relative motion, and we can see down here that it tells you how far it is out at its current speed, 20, 40, 60 minutes. So for example, this cell right down here is about an hour away. This little one's aimed right at us. I've turned motion off right now so we can see, but I wanted to particularly point out this structure right here and then the front of this one behind it, because this is the cool thing I have to show you. Now, keep in mind the way this radar picture looks, and let's go outside. So here we are outside in my backyard, and you can see, as we look at the sky, you see that dividing line right there, and that little gap as it goes through. It's kind of hard to see it between the trees, but you can actually see those two lines up there in the sky that we saw on the radar plot. You don't often get a situation like this where you can actually see clearly defined bands, and I wanted to take a look when I saw on the radar this morning that that kind of extra ring that was coming towards us, and then when I saw that you could actually match it with something outside, I thought that was pretty neat. We're out in the side yard now. This is, I came out here to give you a little better view. Going up on top of the mound here, there's more trees. Right now we're looking approximately dead south. And you can see again that clearly defined edge. About 5-10 minutes have gone by since we looked at the radar plot. So there's some thunder and lightning over there. And you can see that that first edge, that little edge that we were looking at, the little tiny echo off by itself is pretty much overhead right now. And this big band over here is the big storm front that was behind it. And again, it's very clearly defined, and you can see as we slowly turn around, and right now this is approximately dead east. So that's, again, that's just a really cool thing that I wanted to show you. This is not a severe storm. It's low to the ground, but you know, it's not producing any hail or anything. We're just going to get rained on, but it's not a severe storm. It's just kind of a neat little sky structure.